Monday, being a long weekend, we are heading out to get live crab. This is the international market that opened recently, so I am heading inside and I'll see. They have live crab. Mask is a must in every store now. Yeah, they have live crab and I asked them to pack 5 of them. After packing, they will weigh it and they will put a price tag on it. Let us look around what they have in the store. Banana flour. Look here, they have some neatly packed jackfruit. Looks amazing and they have so many varieties of ingredients. They have variety of lychees. They have different section for skincare from face masks to handmade soaps. Variety of sweets. They look very delicious. They are neatly packed. Today we are focusing on only crab, so I'm not going to pick anything else, but for sure I will come to this store next time. From the international store, I got the Orient name of this green leafy vegetable is poi, and in I think Chinese, I'm not sure what language is it, it's called montoi. So I'm going to make a mixed curry of it, but it's for a different day. And now I'm going to open the main thing that we got. That's the crab. The name of the crab is blue crab and they're live. I'm going to use this tong. Usually my husband, he helps me with all the preparation when it comes to crab curry. So I will let him clean the crab, but I will record how he's cleaning it. You see, now the crab is completely clean. We have removed the shell and the outer covering and now it's completely clean. The yellow part is the crab egg. In this tray, I have clean crabs. We are going to prepare an Indian style crab masala. For the masala, I'm going to make a paste of onion, ginger, garlic and tomato and some whole garam masalas. The weather is excellent here, so we decided to cook outside, and we have a grill here and got a gas burner on one side. So we are going to cook on this side. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and the weather is amazing. It's very nice and very windy. I'll show you how it looks. This is my backyard. The ingredients that we will be using for crab curry is the paste of onion, ginger, garlic, tomato and garam masala. And in oil first we will fry the panchpooran and curry leaves, and then we have dry masala, red chili powder, haldi and coriander and cumin powder. We have some thinly sliced potato, and at the end we are going to add some garam masala. So first we have to warm the oil. Once the oil is warm, we are going to add the panchpooran. And to this we are going to add now the onion, ginger, garlic, tomato paste. Nice aroma of whole garam masala is coming. So to this we are going to add some turmeric and red chili powder and some coriander and cumin powder, some salt and some curry leaves. Mix it well and cook till the raw smell of masala goes. Now the rawness from the masala is gone and you can see how the oil is oozing out. Now we'll add crab and potato in it. We'll keep this in a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. This is how it looks like after 10 minutes. I will let it cook a little more till all the water evaporates. So after 15 minutes of cooking, this is how the crab masala looks like. And it's delicious. It just reminds me of my childhood. It's a long process to eat crab because you have to break the shell and you have to eat. For crab curry or crab masala, I usually prefer plain rice. I have to thank my husband for this. This is how the plate looks. I'll start with potato. The potato is cooked very well. And now I'm going to taste some crab. It's delicious. It's very sweet and it's very tasty. It's very juicy also. Thank you for watching my video. Have a blessed day.